Hello, team. Welcome to the Market Minute. Today is September 27th. Yep, it's Tuesday, September 27th, and we're staring at a little bit of red. Today has been a roller coaster day already. You can kind of see the chart as we're looking at it here. We started this morning pretty good. We were very green. Things were looking good, and then we had this somewhat of a meltdown in MBS pricing. So it's the same story. We are now at the threshold, at the high end of that 10-year. We're looking to see if this 10-year can hold. It's 454 right now. And if we break through kind of this technical and kind of psychological mark of 450 and stay above it for quite some time, we're up to 455 as we're talking here. Next stop is probably near 5. There's not much resistance until you get past 5.25 or so. I think the sentiment right now is the discussion of higher for longer has flown through, and we're seeing a lot more people talk about inflation not being tame. We had some bond-friendly data that came out yesterday. Didn't have much of an impact. We saw a kind of a sell-off, and when you see your end of day kind of pricing getting worse, deteriorating, more selling occurring at the end of the day, it usually doesn't bode well for the next day. We had a nice pop this morning, and then the same thing, we had a sell-off. So we're looking down, between 5 and 10 basis points, depending on which coupon you're in. We're seeing that 6.5 coupon. We're seeing this kind of need for new coupon stacks to open up. So you're going to see our lenders are going to be pricing, excuse me, they'll be pricing, I guess sporadically by note rate. So make sure you open up the stacks. It's really important. UWM sent a note out. They have been notorious for flattening their rate sheets to make sure that each note rate has a specific premium that is increasing as you go down. And we know some of our other lenders haven't done that with Windsor and some of the other ones. You find note rates that are lower, that pay better. Now everybody has to do this because the markets are just a little bit in flux right now until we get some, stability in these higher coupons. And we're not seeing that right now. We're seeing it, liquidity becoming an issue for pricing, and it's really hard to make a mark at these new coupon levels, at these new note rates. So pay attention to that. Make sure you open up the rate stack. We have a fantastic weekly sales meeting coming on in the next 20 minutes or so. Make sure you tune in for that. We're going to be talking about Agent Connect. We'll be talking about some amazing things that you can do for yourselves to get more business in this market. It is no better time than right now to go out and gain market share. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you, and we'll be back again tomorrow.